Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's a real treat for me. I am in the Punk Rock Museum in Vegas and I'm so looking forward to this. I'm a big Clash fan, if you can see. I've got my Clash t-shirt on, don't know if that's coming across right. So I'm going to show you what they've got, so let's see. There's a few songs playing, so I don't know if YouTube will allow me to post my video, but we'll see. New York Dolls, bass. Pheromones. Oh, there's a man, Joe Strummer. Must admit, I do like some, there's a lot of punk songs I like, but it's, there's only a few punk bands that I really like, and the main one is The Clash. I love The Clash, a wee bit of the Sex Pistols. I've actually seen the Sex Pistols. Oh. I saw the Sex Pistols, I don't know, must be about 20 years now or something. And surprisingly it wasn't a shambles and I really enjoyed it. I've seen Joe Strummer a few times. About 4 or 5 times. That one I like Iggy Pop. I've had a couple of his albums over the years. Actually been on stage with Iggy Pop, it was good. Somewhere in here is Joe Strummer's guitar, which I'm looking forward to getting my photo with. I'm just doing a wee quick tour, just let you see what it's like. Then I'm going to take my time walking about and show you. Have a look. If you love punk, it's a cracking exhibit. I must admit, I don't know a lot of the punk bands here. But still, it's interesting to see. I guess a kind of jam place, you can jam. Still not seen Joe Strummer's guitar. His guitar, that. Feel there. Set fire to his guitar. It's a bit of a waste. But very punk. It's a really cool museum, it really is. Just a shame, and there it is. There's Joe Strummer's guitar. Amazing. and a wee picture of him playing it. Oh, this is really cool. There's a period I was really into Clash. There's only a few bands that I've really got into. Lynn's Queen, there was Fleetwood Mac, and then the Clash. To a certain extent the Jam as well. Lemmy, I never really thought they were punk, but I suppose. I always thought they were more metal. That's a wee unexpected bonus, seeing Lenny's outfits. Sadly I never got to see Clash live, but I've seen Joe Strummer a few times, so I'm happy with that. See what else there is. Another punk band I like's The Pretenders, but I don't see anything for them here. Just see what else there is. See whose guitars these are. Gibson Les Paul, Mike Ness. I've been told to go upstairs. It's a punk bar. Yeah. Oh, it's good to get wheelchair access. Don't think you can see it there. There's a kind of wee rail with a wheelchair access. It would be a bit wasted in Jacqueline. She's not really into punk. She's into Michael Ball and you can't get much further on the riff than that. A tattoo parlour. Right, let's see what's up here. I do hope YouTube lets me post this video without editing it. Edward Clover. Oh, he's a photographer. Haven't heard from him, I'm afraid, but let's see. Well, Susie Sue. I'm sure it's Susie Sue. I wonder whose costumes these are. Acrobats and everything. I'm afraid so far there's nobody there that I recognise. Rocket Free Crypt, I've heard of them, but the specials. I've seen the specials, I quite like the specials. Surely that's not Joe Strummer's. It says Joe, I'm assuming it would be. What's the jam room? Oh, I thought it was downstairs. Really cool collection of guitars. Oh, yeah. Oh, Joe Strummer's last shot. Aye, when I saw him it was the Mescaleros period. I'm trying to think where I saw him. I saw him support The Who and I saw him in the Barrowlands twice I'm sure. And what was the other one? Tina Park. It's not seen that. Tina Park's not heard of it. Tina Park was a music festival in Scotland. It's a really good festival. It's a shame they stopped it. That's where I was on stage with her. Quite a cool wee museum. I really enjoyed having a wee look about. I think this is basically the end of it. Well folks, that was the Punk Rock Museum in Las Vegas, and I have to say I really liked it. I'm going to spend a week now, finish filming. I'm going to spend a wee bit of time looking about and seeing what it's like. To take my time, looking at a few things, getting a few photos. So thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe and share. It would really help the channel out. Thank you. Bye bye.